Your touch is gasoline. One spark and I'm on fire. No need to pretend. We both know what we desire. Your breath on my skin, so close but still holding on. This room is caving in to the rhythm we're on. I can feel it pounding underneath my chest. Every move you make makes me lose my breath. Just your heartbeat syncing up with mine, slow and steady till we cross the line. No more talking, no more wasting time. Just your heartbeat next to mine. Your eyes don't tell lies.